First, turn on BoundTable. Open the BoundTable demo software. Scan Bluetooth. Choose the right Bluetooth and connect it. The Bluetooth light on the device will be turned on, which means the connection is done. Choose Register mode. Now we can encode and custom EPC in our tags. Put one surgical instrument with red speed on the reading area. The red square will turn green when encoding is done. Now we can input more information about this instrument, such as name, UDI, producer, etc. Click Register to make sure the information is saved. Then we can do the same procedure to another instrument. Choose Single mode. It can read single instrument. All the information will be shown. Choose Pack mode. Now, we can read a pack of instruments and information about the pack. The missing instrument names and quantities will be shown.